Hello student of class 8. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Some Natural Phenomena. So before start this chapter we have to understand about the electric charge. Have you noticed the crackling noise that is heard when one removes synthetic clothes during winter? Have you ever received a small electric shock upon touching the metallic doorknob? The reason for this phenomena is the generation of electric charge. Let us learn about electric charge and how are they generated with the flowing activity. So our aim of this activity is to demonstrate the presence of electric charge. To perform this activity we require to manage some material, a plastic comb and bits of paper. Procedure: step number 1, wrap the plastic comb with dry hair. Step number 2, bring the comb near the small bits of paper. What do you observe? We will observe that the small bits of paper get attracted to the comb. So we can conclude that when the comb is rubbed with the hair, it becomes electrically charged. The charged comb now attracts the bits of paper. So from here we can understand that if we rub, then the few of the valence electron or free electron transferred from one material to another material. As a result, some imbalance create in positive and negative charge. As a result, it becomes fully charged, and that is why the charge comb, whenever we bring near the paper, so they are going to be attracted. So by the rubbing we can transfer the charge from one material to another material, and when charge is transferred from one material to another material, as a result both the material become electrically charged. Let's discuss about the types of electric charge. Let us perform one more activity to study how many types of charge are there in the nature. So our aim of this activity to determine the different types of charge. Material required: 2 balloons and 2 plastic scale. Procedure: step number 1, inflate 2 balloons and hang them such that they are close but do not touch each other. Now rub both the balloons with woolen cloth and release them. What do you observe? Take one plastic scale and rub it with polythene and place carefully in a glass tumbler. Rub the other scale and bring it close to the first scale. What do you observe? Bring the charged plastic scale closer to the charged balloon. What do you observe? We will observe that a charged balloon repels another charged balloon. A charged plastic scale is another charged scale. However, a charged balloon attracts a charged plastic scale. This indicates that the charge on the balloon and the plastic scale are different nature. So student, remember, whenever both the balloon we have rubbed with the silk cloth, then both the balloon acquire the same charge. As a result, both the balloon repel each other, but the plastic scale is in opposite nature, so balloons and plastic scale are attracted. From the above activity, it can be concluded that different objects acquire different charges on rubbing. We can also conclude that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. In the universe, there are 2 types of charge: positive charge and negative charge. The atom, which is the fundamental building block of matter, has positively charged particle called proton and negatively charged particle called electron. Atoms are neutral because the number of electron and number of proton are always equal. But when an atom loses electron, it becomes positively charged, and when it gains electron, it becomes negatively charged. So student, remember, in nature an atom reside in neutral condition means proton number and electron number same, means positive charge and negative charge remain same. That is why this kind of material do not give us electric shock. But whenever we rub two material, then few of the free electron transfer from one material to another material. As a result, the material which releases the electron or charges, they become positively charged, and the material which acquire negative charges, this kind of material become negatively charged. So in this universe there are two kinds of charge, positive and negative charge. Positive charge and positive charge always repel, that means we can say like charges repel, and positive and negative charges always attract, means we can say unlike charges attract.